This is by far the most incredible coffee machine I've ever owned. It's beautiful, it's versatile, makes great coffee, and it's so easy to use and so easy to clean. First off, on the back side there, you can see the lid for the coffee beans, so you put your whole beans in there. It can also accommodate ground coffee. Coffee that's already ground up goes into the smaller lid. All that's available to you. This is the little hot water spout. It's removable, it's electronic. It all runs all by itself, pretty much, other than a touch of the button. Yes, it's a little daunting out of the box. Take your time, read the instructions, which are very clear, at least they were to me, and you're ready to go. Here's the water bin, very easy to remove, fill, and replace. This tray, easy to remove, clean, and replace. Lots of brew options. Like I said, you've got the ground and whole bean option. You've got everything from a latte macchiato to hot water, like I said. You can control the strength of the brew. You can double your espresso serving. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. This thing is well, it's called Magnifica, and it truly is magnificent. Here's the best feature. I don't want to take too much of your time, but you got to see this. So I said it's easy to use. That is not an overstatement. Check this out. This is the little milk container that comes with it. It's easily removable and easy to plug in. You can keep it in your fridge if you still have milk left over. This little spout is movable, so you can put it over your cup and watch what happens here. You just simply plug it in where the water spout was. Make sure this milk spout is over your cup. You can adjust the espresso spouts. Has a double spout there. And all you have to do, select what you want. I'm going to choose a cappuccino. I've already selected the middle grade strength there. And I'm going to select cappuccino. It's a little loud, of course, but all espresso machines should be. They're pumping hot water. Right now it's grinding the whole beans that I have in there. I like to have the espresso beans available and ready to go. So easy. So touch of a button after I plug in the little milk. It's heating up. I'm going to expect the pump here to start spouting the frothy hot milk into my cup. Working as planned. All at a touch of a button. And that's the frothy milk. And here comes the espresso. So in a matter of a minute or two, you're going to have a cappuccino that not only tastes great, it's so fantastically easy, and then the cleaning options are incredible too, and I'm going to show you that. Thank you for your patience, but I'm so in love with this machine. I think it deserves a little bit of attention on a review, and you're going to love it too. Now it's asking me if I want to clean. What it's going to do is run hot water through the top of this machine and through this spout. So I'm going to replace my cup of cappuccino here with an empty cup. It's a little tall. So I'll just adjust that. Everything's so easy to use. And now I'm going to say yes. Go ahead and give that a clean. Now you'll still want to remove this and clean the container, obviously. But what it's doing is shooting hot water through this system here just to make sure the internals are nice and clean. And there we go. And now, every time you turn it on, it's going to run a clean. So make sure you either have an empty cup under the spouts, or it will also go in here and the tray. The tray holds enough water, you don't have to worry about it spilling over. But every time you turn it on, the pump will fill and some hot water will come out of the espresso spouts, and the same when you turn it off. The machine's going to be turned off, and it's going to run, this time, hot water through the espresso spouts, like I said, just to give it a little wash, and that's it. Amazing. I hope you love it.
Here it is making a cappuccino. It's got a grinder on the top. Put the beans, or you can put powder, ground in that little compartment, but I'm not going to do that. And mean, it's got to be better than that garbage Nespresso. Let's see. I am going to taste this one. And it fits perfect, right? I mean, I just need to slide it back. The stupid Nespresso took up the same amount of space.